Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you how to install WordPress on your Amazon EC2 instance. For time being I'm using Amazon micro instance to installing WordPress, and if you don't know how to create Amazon EC2 instance, I've already created one video, you can watch that. And here I've already downloaded my key for Amazon EC2 instance, and I've I've made sure the instance is ready when I'm connecting it. So you also start your instance before trying to connect using bash. So my instance is already ready and I'm connected. So now first first thing, I'll install a Apache web server. So the so I'll be mentioning all this command in the description. You can have a look over there. So this will install a HTTP server. So it's asking for the root permission. So we are in the root. So it's asking for, you better say yes. So it will take a while to install. So after this we'll start this Apache web server. So this command will start, it's saying yes, the service is ready to consume. Now we'll be installing PHP, and guys we can use multiple commands in the yum install. So I'll be using the PHP connector, MySQL PHP connector also. So it will install both. It will take a while, and once it's completed I'll restart my service, HTTP service. Okay, I need to restart it. So it started. Now I'll be creating one file, so that like I'm able to know my PHP is installed or not. So we'll go to main folder, we'll list the directories. So I'm going to this www folder. Inside this folder we have a HTML folder. So here I will be creating one file using VI editor. We could just need to write the following command. So if you want to insert something, you can just press I, it will start, and we need to just type the basic command of the PHP. And guys, I'll be mentioning all those things inside the description, so no need to worry. If you able to get it, it's great. Otherwise you can have a look in the description. So I've added my file. You can just press escape and then semicolon WQ. It will save the file. We can all see file is already saved. So now you need to go to your Amazon EC2 instance and use this following command. So guys, I've already installed my PHP on the server. So now I'll be going to this my public DNS and will type test.php. If everything is working fine, then we'll be able to see the PHP file. Okay, I guess our server is not ready. So guys, like as you're able to see, I'm not able to connect to my this EC2 instance using this HTTP URL. So the most usual problem will be in my security groups. So this security group is applicable for this my EC2 current running EC2 instance. So we have to check my inbound rules. So here like only SSH is added, so I need to add one HTTP. So you can just press save, and our instance is already running. We can try again. Yo, yeah, it's working. So now as like our PHP is installed, now we'll try to install WordPress on our server. So let's get started. So guys, like I've already installed PHP and PHP MySQL connector. So now I'll installing MySQL server. So it will install MySQL server as well. Okay, yes, saying done. So once this MySQL is installed, we need to start the service so that like we are able to connect to MySQL database, and after that we'll create one database named as blog, or you can name any name. It's taking a while. Okay, yeah, it's done. So now we'll be starting the MySQL service. Okay, it's saying okay, yeah, it's done. So now we'll create one database named as blog. You can name anything, whatever you want. I'm using blog. Okay, it's created. Now we need to run this following command using, and this command will actually secure your database. So the command name is MySQL secure underscore installation. It's asking for the current password. We don't have any password. Set root password, we will set at yes. Just make sure whatever password you type, you remember it. So it's asking for remove anonymous users. Yes. Disallow root login. Yes. Remove test database. Yes. And reload privilege tables. Yes. So we are done now. So now we'll be installing WordPress inside this HTML folder. So first we'll check where we are. We are already in this. So guys, I'll be trying to install WordPress now. The URL is already mentioned. So the command is wget so it's trying to download the WordPress from their main website. It's already done, I guess. Yes, we have installed. Now we'll unzip. Unzip it. Yep, it's done. So we have one folder created, name it as WordPress. So now we'll try to move this WordPress folder in a separate directory. So I have just moved that WordPress into a blog folder. So if you do cd blog, so now I need to create a config file. So WordPress already provide one config file. So as you can see, you'll be able to see one sample config. Yeah, this sample config is already there. We'll just rename it. Okay, the file is already renamed. Yep, it's been renamed. Now I'll open it. Using vi editor. So now file is opened. Okay, and here you need to mention your database name, your username, and all those things. So as username is, I have not mentioned any explicit username. So the username is root. But make sure like you do editing this properly, of course, otherwise this thing will not work properly. If you miss any semicolon or something, the code will break. You just need to edit three things: the name, database user, and database password, and leave everything. So database we have already given, it was blog. The password, yeah, password I've given. Okay, yeah, we are done. So we can just press escape and wq semicolon wq. It will save the file. So guys, I have already installed PHP. So this test page was already working. So we are sure that PHP is loaded. So now we'll try to load WordPress. So as I have moved my entire content into this blog folder, you need to go to this, your public DNS and /finish blog. You see, it's working. So my site is ready. You just need to mention the site. You can mention any name. Username, make sure you give your email ID, because otherwise it will be very difficult to to get your site back on this WordPress, because you have to do reinstall again if you forget your password. And yeah, that's all. So guys, now I'll try to log in. Make sure you remember your password, otherwise it's very difficult. Okay, yeah, we are logged in. So now we are done, and we are ready to create our first post. Let's create. So yeah, hello world is already there. So we'll create one more. Yep. Site is a bit slow, I guess. So we'll publish it. Yep, and this is my URL. Yeah, we are pretty good, right? So we have just launched our first website. Yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in, and if you have any queries, put down in comments. I'll try to revert back. Okay. Thank you for listening. Okay. Bye bye.